Tutorial we are discussing about the last data type in Python, that is nothing but none. Okay, we are discussing about a small data type which is very last, okay, which comes very last in all data types, that is nothing but none data type. Okay, none is nothing but, okay, none is a last data type in Python, which means nothing. Okay, that means it doesn't have any proper value. Okay, none is a data type in which we doesn't have any proper value. It's something like a null in Java. Okay, how we treat a null in Java, same way we treat none in Python. Okay, that means it doesn't have any value. Okay, it doesn't have any proper value. Okay, which means nothing. So let us see one example for none. Okay, let us see one example for none. Suppose, okay, I have created a variable. Okay, I have created a variable called name. Okay, I have created a variable called a name, and the value of that name is nothing but none. Okay, so there's no single quotes. It's actually a keyword. Okay, there's no single quote. Sorry. Yeah. So none is a keyword. Okay, none is a keyword. Now this variable name contains, okay, this object is exist. Okay, we have an object called as name, but that object doesn't have any particular value. Okay, so in that way we will use none in Python. Let us see one practical example how we can use none in Python. Okay, now let us think that I have a name. Okay, I have a name called as Python hub. Okay, think that I have a name called as Python hub. Now what is my name value? It is Python hub. Okay, it is Python hub. Now suppose if I delete this name, okay, if I want, okay, now suppose if I delete this name, so that means if I'm deleting this, what happens? There won't be any, okay, there won't be any more name. That means there won't be any more name object at all. Okay, okay, that entire object is getting deleted. But in some scenarios, okay, in some scenarios I want name, but I don't want any particular value to the name. Okay, so if we directly delete, what happens is entire name object will get deleted. But in some situations I want that name variable, but I don't want any proper value assigned to that. In those scenarios, this data type called none will comes handy. Let us see how we can do that. Okay, now see, if I, okay, now if I print this none, okay, if I print this none, see, nothing is printing. That means there is no error. Okay, there is no error. Actually there is an object called a name, it is pointing to nothing, so there is no error. Now let us see, if I'm deleting name, and okay, once I delete name, now again if I'm trying to access name, what happens? See, it is showing that name is not defined. That means we are trying to access a name, I mean a variable which is not available, because this object is already got deleted. But in the above case, actually it is not pointing to anything, but still we can access that. Okay, so in those scenarios where our variable should point to nothing, but still our variable should exist means, in those scenarios only we will use this last data type in Python called none. I hope all of you understand how none will help in Python. Thank you so much. Bye.